In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a task in Jira as part of our Jira Basics tutorial. If you've been working with Jira for a while, you know how important it is to keep your dashboard organized and clutter-free. Sometimes you'll find that tasks need to be removed, perhaps because they're duplicates, outdated, or simply no longer relevant. Let's walk through the steps to ensure you can do this smoothly. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the specific project you're working with in Jira. Accessing the correct project ensures that any changes or deletions are made in the right context, avoiding any potential mistakes. Once you are in your selected project, your next task is to locate the specific task you wish to delete. These tasks can be found in various places within your project, perhaps on the backlog or maybe on the sprint board. Wherever it lies, make sure you pinpoint exactly which task is no longer needed. With the task identified, the next step is to click on it. This will open the task in its details view, allowing you to see all the related information and manage it accordingly. This interface is where you can manage several aspects of the task, from editing details to ultimately deleting it. Now focus on the upper right hand side of this task details view. Here you'll notice three small dots. This is commonly referred to as the ellipsis or the actions drop down. Clicking on these three dots will reveal additional options related to the task. It's an area where you can find more advanced features and actions you can perform on the task. In this actions drop-down, you'll see an option labelled Delete. Selecting this option is your first action toward removing the task. However, Jira provides a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. You'll be greeted with a warning message asking you to confirm your decision. This step is crucial and asks, do you truly want to permanently delete this task? If you are certain about your choice and understand that it cannot be undone, you can proceed by clicking Delete again. This second confirmation ensures that you've double-checked your intention before the task is removed from your project. And with that final confirmation, the task will be permanently deleted from your project, keeping your Jira workspace cleaner and more relevant to your team's current needs. Remember, it's always good to double-check what you're removing to ensure your team's workflow remains intact and efficient. Thank you for joining today's tutorial on deleting tasks in Jira. We hope this was helpful and that you now feel more confident managing your tasks. Be sure to explore other aspects of Jira in our series and continue to streamline your project management skills.